Hi, so this is a basic video which will cover all the aspects, the basic aspects of how you can use Scan and Pay as an expense management tool. I'll help you understand how will it function for the owner and how will it function for the staff who's making the expense. So on the screen you see at the top there's the name of it's the name of the business, and then these are general cash books. I'll click on payments, and now we will set up payments. If you scroll down, you'll get all the details about how it works. So I'll click on set up payments, open cashbook business account for free, and you'll have to do min KYC. We'll just submit your PAN card and that's it. And the payments will be activated for your business. Now we have created a virtual account number and IFSC code for your business. We'll continue with the setup. The first thing that we need to do as a business owner is add money to this virtual account. Only then you will be able to disperse money to your staff's wallet and then they'll be able to spend it. So we'll add money. We're adding 5,000 for now. We can use any of the given payment modes, be it UPI, be it debit card, credit card, or net banking. We'll go with PhonePe. Money has been added to the account. Now we'll go back to the dashboard. So now that we have added money, we need to issue wallet to one of the staffs who will be doing the payments. So here we go, issue wallets to staff, issue now. These three members have been added to my business, so I'll have to select from them. If you want to add another member, you can go and add another member from here at the top. I'll issue the wallet to Sunil. We'll click on issue. We'll have to share SMS text message will be sent to Sunil. If you want to share it on WhatsApp, you can do it. Press done. We'll press done. This is where you'll see all the members of your business whose wallets are activated. We will check Sunil's wallet. It says wallet activation pending. Sunil will have to do a min KYC. So meanwhile, Sunil does a min KYC. We'll come back and check again. It's done. So now what we need to do is we need to add money to Sunil's wallet. We'll click on add. We will add 500 rupees to Sunil's wallet. We are adding this 500 from the virtual account. The 5,000 we added to the virtual account. The balance is 4,500 now. This is now Sunil's wallet. This is your Sunil's wallet. Whenever Sunil will make expenses, you will see it here in the list of expenses. When Sunil makes collections, you can change on the tab and go to collections. We'll go back. Now this is what Sunil's wallet will look like to him on his screen. So Sunil will know that his wallet balance is 500, his monthly limit currently is 10,000, and these are the various options of money transfer available for Sunil via Scan and Pay UPI or paying to a UPI ID. If you want, we can also give Sunil a card, and Sunil can use the card details to make online purchases, and if he wants it in physical form, he can use it in physical form as well. So I'll give an example of how to do a Scan and Pay transaction. We'll click on Scan and Pay. We'll scan a QR. Let's say we are paying just 5 rupees for packaging item, whatever, like we're just putting in a remark. Pay 500, enter PIN, and the payment would be successful. If you want to add a bill, you can add a bill. And yep, we are done. This is how the whole payment system works.